guys, it's me. So today I'm going vacation with Sunny. And where are you, Sunny?
Here.
Oh hi, the blocky Sunny. Okay, so we are going to player 0 this one.
Okay, go in. You can't sit down now.
Lol. Now I kinda like this hair already.
Why you copy my hair?
You dyed it purple already, my god. Haven't you blonde hair?
I'm not blonde, I'm black. I dye it purple.
Do you wear a wig? Like my god.
Yeah, I'm wearing a wig. I am
You wear two wigs,
red.
Hi, your
Actually red.
hair is actually red.
Yes.
My god! Orange hair. Red! Red is orange! You should don't know what is red hair like, my god. I got played this before, so I didn't have get a bachelor. Wakey, eggs and bacon. What? Don't tell me you forgot. I like he say wakey bakey. So later you will get a burger one. If you get the green one, don't eat or else you will die. Roll hummus. So this is the boy. Later we need to like prepare. So we need to prepare some clothes. Some is at the girl closet, some is at the boy closet. So this is my. Oh, none of you done your baggage. I can't believe you forgot. I don't even remember when. We are going to explore this. We have 45 seconds to explore them and see where everything is. Then we start counting. Okay, you speak so fast, my god. So this the girls' closet have this kind of floor have a rubber ducky. No, and the touch it, yeah. Go touch it. No, you stand it and get the secret too. My god, the rubber ducky. So this is the girl closet. I'm going to go to the boys' closet, and like yeah, there's no rubber ducky yet over here. Later if you get the green burger, so don't ever. Okay, I need this at the boy closet. Boy closet. Yeah, I know. Good thing I have.
Why I cannot get on?
You need to press the item.
Yeah, pressing.
It's not this one, you go to the girls one, not the aeroplane, this one. The white color shoe is that rare one.
What white color shoe? It's not white color shoe.
Faster, I still have time. I still have time.